Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding singleton error in Odoo and when it appears and how to solve singleton error in Odoo version 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 14 development tutorials, and in the previous video we have shown you how to add a compute field in Odoo. So if I go to the hospital, then to the patient, so if I open the patient's form view, here we have an appointment count field which computes the appointment count from the appointment table. So what happens if I add the corresponding field to the tree view? So right now we have added this field only in the form view, and let's see what happens if I add that field to the tree view. So if I go to the PyCharm, and first of all I will show the field that I have added. So if I go to the models and then to the patient.py file, so this is the field and this is the compute function, that is appointment count of type integer, which computes a value from the appointment table and set to this field, and we have added this field only in the form view. So here you can see this is the field. So what we will be doing, that we'll be copying this field and I'll be adding it to the corresponding tree view. So before doing that, you can see if I go to the UI and if I go to the any menu and if I come back to the sales and if I remove this default filter, there is no error. So right now there is no error I am getting, but you will be getting an error once you add this field to the tree view. So simply I'll be copying the appointment count field from the form view and I'll be adding it in the tree view, that is patient tree view. So I'll be adding a new field to the tree view. So if you click on debugger button and if you click on edit view list, you can see view patient tree. So to the view patient tree I have added the computed field. Now let's see what happens. I'll be restarting the service and I'll be going into the UI, and from the apps menu I'll be upgrading Odoo 14 development tutorials module. So let's wait and see what happens when we go back to the patient tree view again. So the module has been successfully upgraded. Now if I go to the hospital and on removing this, we suppose right now we didn't get the error because we have the default group by, but if I remove this default group by, you can see the error is coming, and if you click on see details, you can see expected singleton. So this is called as singleton error in Odoo. So in your Odoo development life you will be seeing this a lot of times if you didn't code correctly. So expected singleton. So here you can see hospital patient of, you will be getting like this. So this will not happen only from a computed field, this can happen in a lot of time. The solution is simple. So here you can see expected singleton. So what is the case? What I can say, the reason for this error is, if we go to PyCharm and if I go to the patient.py file and if I simply put a print statement here, and I'll be adding a code here, self. I'll be just adding a print statement and I'll be printing a, just print the self here. So and if I restart the service, so simply I have added a print statement inside our compute function, and if I go back to the browser and if I reload the screen and if I remove this default filter and if I come back here, you can see where is self. Inside the self we have not only one record, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 records we are getting inside self. And if you try to print self.id, what it will return? We cannot return self.id because self is not a single record, it contains multiple record. So instead of self, if I try to print self.id, you will be getting error there itself. This will not be getting printed, you will be getting an error here itself. And if I just refresh the UI and if I remove this filter, and if you check the log, you can see the self itself will not get printed because you are getting error in this line itself. You cannot get self.id because self is containing multiple values. So what I'll be doing, I'll be simply removing this field from the tree view which we have added, and let's see what we are getting inside self. So once we access the tree view, we are getting multiple records inside the self, that is all the records in tree view. So I'll be simply removing this appointment count from the tree view, and if I restart the service, and what I will be doing, I'll be upgrading the module. As I have removed the field from the view, I'll just upgrade Odoo 14 development tutorials. So I have removed that field, and if I come back to the hospital, and if I remove this filter, right now we don't have the error. Initially when you have added the field in the tree view, when a view containing that field is loaded, it will call its compute function, and the self will contain all the records, that is all the records that you have listed in the tree view will be containing in the self. But when you go to the form view, the self will be only the current object. So right now if you check the log, you can see self is containing only hospital dot patient of 1, which is this record. Suppose if I open map view, the self will contain only one object, self hospital dot patient of 8. But when you add the field in the tree view, self will be every object, that is it will contain all the object. So in such cases, to avoid singleton error, what you have to do, you have to iterate self over a for loop. So what I will be doing, I'll be bringing back the field in the tree view. So I have added the field again back to the tree view, and I'll go to the apps menu, and I'll be upgrading the module. And right now we will be getting the singleton error in Odoo. So if I go to the hospital, and if I remove the group by, you are getting singleton error. So the solution is to iterate self over a for loop. So simply I'll be adding a for loop here for rec in self. We can simply add for rec in self, that is we are iterating self. As self containing multiple values, we need to get it one by one. So like here you can see self containing. So once you print it, will you understand. Here you can see where is self contain this much value, and I need to get one by one. So I have iterated self over a for loop for rec in self. And if you print the rec here, you can see rec variable will be only single record rec. And then what you have to do, instead of using self.id, you have to put rec.id, and instead of self.appointment count, you have to put rec.appointment count. So simply what I have done, I have iterated self over a for loop, and don't need to change this self here. And I'll be restarting the service, and if I go to the UI, and I'll be refreshing. So let's refresh and see whether we are getting the error or not. So in last time we gets the error on removing this one, because only that time the count will be getting computed. So if I remove this one, you can see there is no error. Why? We have iterated the self over the for loop. And if you come here, you can see inside the rec we are getting only one record, that is in the for loop one by one it will be coming. So the reason for the singleton error is the variable self, or the any variable you are using containing multiple value, and when you access self.id where self having multiple records, you will be getting this error. The solution is simply iterate over the for loop for rec in self, and use rec.id rec.appointment count. So this is the solution for the singleton error in Odoo. So once whenever you write a function, try always iterating the self over a for loop. So even here we don't get error and we haven't iterated, but it's always recommended to iterate self over the for loop. So I'll change here also for rec in self, and I'll be putting like rec.state. So simply whenever you write a function, try to iterate over a for loop. So here you can see rec.state. So I'll be making change like this. Now all my function for rec in self, wherever your variable having a possibility to contain multiple value, just iterate it over a for loop and make sure that you are free from singleton error in Odoo. So I'll be iterating here also. Correct. So whenever you write a function, just iterate it over a for loop to avoid singleton error. So if I refresh, and what I will be doing, I'll be just removing the comments. Yeah, comments, sorry, the print statement has been removed from the code. And if I refresh, you can see the appointment count in the tree view. 3 appointments for Sam, 0 for Dick, 0 for James, 2 for Anthony, 4 for Sarah, etc. So this is how you can solve the singleton error in Odoo. Simply iterate the self over a for loop. So whenever you have a possibility to a variable contain multiple values, just iterate it over a for loop and stay away from the singleton error in Odoo. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, feedback, suggestions, don't hesitate to comment it out or reach us over the email odoomates@gmail.com. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.